Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear storage on any Android TV box. Now, how to do this, you go to the file app rather, not the download app, the file app. It could be File Explorer, it could be maybe File Manager or Files. So depending on your TV box and its own interface, just follow the fundamentals and it should work directly and same for you. So I'm going to head over to my Files app and I'm going to navigate to local memory. This will show all the media info in my TV box. When I click on it, I can scroll down and I'll find the download folder. Clicking on that brings me to a lot of downloaded material that I don't necessarily need. So I can uninstall this, I could delete them rather, and that will save space. It will clear up storage on my Android TV box. So what I'm going to do is to come down here to this APK for instance, and this is exactly what you do. Just click and hold, and it brings up this tab where you can sort, copy, paste, cut, delete, rename, or make a directory. So in this case, I'm going to delete, and when I'm prompted with show that delete the file, delete, and that takes the file off your Android TV box. You go to the next one and do same. You could delete whatever media, movies, or APK download files, anything that is taking storage on your Android TV box. Following the same process could delete all of them. So if you found value in that tutorial, if you were able to delete and free space on your device, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.